So in the second rule that we have, so that's the first rule. The second rule that we have is the opposite. So we have, remember we have some verbs that are, some nouns that are can be used as verbs as well. They're spelled the same way, they're just pronounced differently. Well, that's because when it's a 2-syllable verb, the first syllable is silent or a schwa, and the second syllable is stressed. Okay. So for example, if it's noun, it's record. If it's a verb, it's record. Do you see the difference? Record, the re is emphasized. Record, the o is emphasized. Okay, the chord is emphasized. An object, right? Object, object. Permit, permit. Suspect, suspect. Import, import. Rebel, rebel, rebel. Present, present. Conflict, conflict. Insult, insult. Does that make sense? So the second one is stressed. Yes?
Yes.
Do you guys want to try saying both of them?
Yes.
All right, let's do this. Record,
Record.
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 Object,
Object.
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 Permit,
Permit.
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 Suspect,
Suspect.
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 Import,
Import.
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 Rebel,
Rubber.
rebel.
Rebel.
Present,
Present.
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 Conflict,
Conflict.
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 Insult,
Insult.
insult.
Insult.